Police under fire over incident involving two boys raised as Rastafarians. Hi, I'm Sinique. Concerns over diet and homeschooling prompt police action. But were they heavy-handed? A musician at the center of the story is himself facing an assault charge.
What is life if we're in captive?
Rastafarian musician's stepchildren removed from his and their mother's care by the police. The boys' hair is then trimmed and they're fed meat without parental approval. Reggae instrumentalist turned singer Jahdore, who went public with the story, also claims he was beaten by the cops, leaving him with a swollen eye. The boy's mother corroborated Jahdore's version of events in an interview with TVJ News. The police later claimed a female relative of the children took them to a barber and fed them the meat. Her actions based on concerns over their diet and homeschooling.
If you're so concerned about kids, why you never come down there and say, you know, me see your spouse and we have a conversation and work this out? Oh, you go on a station and go demand kids to take away from them one another. That alone tell us that no respect na there. You know what I mean? So when them go talk about not treating the youth them right, when them know so them youth there, eat the highest food. If me ever show you some supermarket and market bill where I have, you'd be surprised. Me sure, me can tell you this for a fact. So them the pitney they eat the highest level of food in the earth right now.
No help me do the max. You know see we.
Jahdore was charged with assaulting a cop and he's booked to appear in court on June 4. He says the boys, aged 4 and 8, are traumatized by the heavy-handed actions of the police.
If me say when me pitney them there and you go for them and set to the side say, me send them go across the road, go trim. Me no need fear nothing more.
So when later now you heard that it was the aunt who had them trimmed and fed them meat, what was your reaction then?
Disrespect. Me still not understand how a family member would want to do something like that. It's like, you know, nothing rational in you to come to say what is going on before you take a step like that. Me just can't, me not understand it yet.
So the story is that an aunt of the kids goes to the police and makes a complaint about their welfare. And though the mother wants the kids to remain in her care and your care, the kids are removed from the household.
Because them say bring them come at the station, we give them the opportunity. Because me that tell them say them can't get the youth in the first place. Because first thing, them approach to the whole thing was wrong. You can't just left come, you know, knock no gate, you just barge right in and reach in a house. Or you reach in a house. Big trespassing.
It's Jahdore.
What me I try to say is this. When you hand over your kids them to police a certain way, you're supposed to get them back a certain way. That's all me I say. So in the whole of this, me give me out them locks and get them back without locks. What that say?
But, you know, an issue was created about how these kids were being educated and issues having to do with their welfare. Why would that have arisen as a concern for the police to present themselves at your house in the first place?
Yeah, so them get a report. So when you come now, you hear say me homeschool the kids them. Because you don't have knowledge of homeschooling, you act stupid. And when I say to you, say homeschooling is not illegal. You know, you just can't do nothing else, because the lawyer, everybody show you, say there's homeschool legal. So you know what I mean? So when they realize that them can't charge me for homeschool, the beat up will go on because them beat me up in the station.
Beat you up how badly?
Alright, so I reach at the station after me and them over to the youth. Reach at the station, go up in the guard room. The police will walk around, approach my spouse in a derogatory manner. Now, as a result of that, I replied and said, you cannot speak to her like that. Because we know say a woman are the mother of the land and love are the first thing, and woman are love. So respect to woman is due. You understand what I say? The man shout out, oh yo, come out of my station. Come on no. That means you don't respect your brother again. It's another thing that again. You know what I mean? Him walk around now and him a try to push her, to get her, to go round where he wants to go. And me a hold her and you thump me in my face.
downtrodden from the west.
Where is the father of these kids in all of this?
The father of the kids, to my knowledge, me no know him, so me can't make no judgment on no one, but me no see him show himself at no point. Me never hear or see him present himself.
So in effect, you've been the father for these boys for how long?
7 months now. Well, I would have said before that, because me and her have a relationship, and me just, you don't know, we extend courtesy. You know what I mean?
So how would
just live together for 7 months, because we have a child together.
And how would you describe the mental state of these boys right now?
Them traumatized the little man. I said when him see the man point the gun for mommy, him like him shocked. You know, him act it out. It's like everything, all them just stepping at the yard, Mr. Miller, and demand out them mother and knock the door, and just the whole, everything just wrong.
Any car we pass with grades.
So do you think you have the basis here for a civil case against the police? And are you pursuing action against them, assuming that all you've said is correct?
Well, you see, them charge me, so I go court. And then the lawyer will take it from there. I can't say much, you know what I mean? It's a court case, so the lawyer then will decide what is what.
The Child Protection and Family Services Agency apparently wasn't contacted before the police took away Jahdore's stepsons. And while not illegal, homeschooling has strict guidelines set by the Ministry of Education.
Officer, I just